This is a video. Let's see how close it is there, because that bracket is holding. But as you go up, that bracket's come loose at the top. That's why it's wider. Let me open this up. If you come through here, you can see the bracket here is busted right there. That popped loose and it busted at the bottom. That's the problem. The welds are holding up, but the bracket's not holding up. If you come down to the bottom, this one is not busted. You can see that it's not busted there. Other than that, the gauge is doing, there we go. The other issue is here. The bracket plate like this was taken off of here. The bracket plate here was taken off of this one, and it was just brought up the hole, because what was happening is that when the door latch came in like this, it wasn't clamping. So instead of fixing the door, the hole was cut through, and that's the problem. The pickets were fixed, the hole was made, but this was not remedied here. And this is the crux of the problem there.